everybody, welcome to Tips from Stella. You know belly fat is absolutely stubborn, and so any weapon that helps us fight against it, it is best to equip ourselves with it. So I've previously shared a fat belly burner juice recipe below. Be sure to check it out, and I will be sharing many more as well. So in this video I'm going to be sharing a belly fat burner smoothie, and for this recipe you will need a handful of parsley. This is actually fresh from my garden. I always have parsley in my garden. You can also use cilantro. You will need 1 cucumber, a half to 1. I will be using half of this. You will need 1 stalk of celery, and you will need about a cup or 3 to 2 slices of pineapple, which I will be measuring out in this can over here. You will also need a cup of freshly brewed green tea, and to make this you just stew your green tea, preferably organic, in hot water for about 10 minutes and your green tea will be ready. So what I'm gonna do right now is to cut, peel and add everything into my blender, then blend it, and that will be it. Next, you want to add your green tea. And you want to cover it up. And your belly fat burner is ready. What you want to do is pour it into a glass, and it is ready to drink. So drink this every morning before your breakfast, or even for your breakfast, and make sure you take it fresh within 15 minutes of making it. Well, that is just about it for today. Don't forget to leave me a thumbs up or a comment if you have any questions. Don't forget to subscribe for more and hit the bell button for notifications. Don't forget to check out my other videos as well. See you in the next video, and don't forget to love yourselves first. Bye bye.